Hey, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Today we're going to take a quick look at the median and percentile formulas. So let's dive into the data here. So in this data set that I created with 35 students and scores, we're going to type in equals, median, open parentheses, select the range, hit F4 to lock it. You can select one or two values or an entire range as we've done here. It's up to you. We'll hit enter. You can see the median in this range is 75. And then percentile, we're going to write percentile, open parentheses. The array here functions like a range, so select the data you want to analyze. I'm going to hit F4 to lock it so that it doesn't shift as we move over. And then comma, what is the K value? That's going to be your desired percentile written as decimals. It's between 0 and 1. So in this case, if we want to do 60th percentile, we'll do 0.6. And then let's copy these over here, and we're just going to change it as we go. So for the 75th percentile, we'll just change it to 0.75. Then we'll change it to 0.85 here, and then 0.95 for the 95th percentile. And there you can see we've got the differences there. And that's a really quick run through on the median and percentile formulas. Thanks for watching.